Shopify allows you to change your store's background color via the theme editor. No coding required for most themes. The process varies slightly by theme. For example, Dawn, Debut, Sense, but the steps are similar. Steps: using Online Store 2.0, themes like Dawn. Log into your Shopify admin. Online Store, themes. Find your active theme. Click Customize. In the theme editor, click Theme Settings. Gear icon at the bottom left. Scroll to Colors section. Look for Background or Page Background, sometimes called Body Background. Click the color box. Use the color picker, enter a hex code, or select from presets. For specific sections, for example header, footer, product page, click a section in the left sidebar, for example header, footer. Find color scheme or background. Choose or customize the color. Click Save, top right. For older themes, pre-Online Store 2.0, theme settings, colors, general or body, change background.